There are tons of YouTube channels featuring 3D animated videos, like 𝐿𝐴 nursery rhymes, with estimated monthly revenue ranging from $520,000 to $8.3 million, and yearly from $5.3 million to $85 million. Another channel, 𝐋𝐿 TV Nursery Rhymes and Kids Songs, earns around $107,000 to $1.7 million per month, and $1.1 million to $17 million a year. And there are many others, like Little Fox, Kids Stories and Songs, and more. So why did these videos go viral and earn so much money? Well, most of these 3D animated channels feature simple stories or songs, often with educational messages for kids. They're designed as bedtime stories or fun songs that children love to play on repeat. And as you know, if a child loves a video, they'll watch it over and over again. 3D animated videos are being created every day, with huge income potential from YouTube monetization. Here's a short 3D animated video I created using only free AI tools. That's right, you heard me. I made this using just the free plan. Let's take a look.
Deep under the sea, in a colorful coral palace, lived a curious little mermaid named Ariel.
Today's the day! I'm going to explore the surface! Woohoo!
Ariel, remember, stay close to the reef and avoid the seaweed cliffs. They can be dangerous.
Got it, Dad. Bye!
But Ariel was too excited. She didn't really listen.
Eek! Ariel, do you seriously remember what your dad said? Stay close to the reef and avoid the seaweed cliffs. They can be dangerous.
Ariel, wait! I think we're swimming too far.
Look at all these sparkly jellyfish. This is awesome.
Oh my.
Uh-oh.
What did you think of that short clip? How was the image quality, sound, and character motion? Believe it or not, I made it almost entirely using free AI tools. So how do you go about making your own 3D animated video using free AI tools? What's the best way to balance cost and quality? In this video, I'll walk you through each step in detail and share tips that'll help you create your own 3D animated videos more efficiently, whether it's a kid's song or a regular story. Make sure not to skip any part. Everything is important. But before we jump in, just give me a few seconds. If you find this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Your support keeps me going and helps me make more useful content like this. All right, let's dive in. Overview of the workflow. Before we get into the actual creation, here's a quick overview of how we'll make the 3D animation using AI. From a basic idea, we'll write the video script or song lyrics that share an educational or entertaining message. Create voiceover or audio. If your video has narration, dialogue, or is a song, this must be planned from the beginning. Generate consistent images with matching characters. Turn images into videos, add lip sync if characters speak, edit everything using tools like CapCut, add transitions, effects, sound effects, and background music. Step 1. Brainstorm ideas and write the script. Ideas. Let's say your channel targets kids aged 3 to 7 with educational content. Open ChatGPT and ask it to act like a creative YouTube creator and skilled scriptwriter in your brand's voice. Ask something like, please generate 10 fun and educational video ideas related to fairy tales or modern life for my channel. Script or song. Once you find an idea you love, ask ChatGPT to generate a full script using your brand's voice. If you're making a kid's song like 𝐿𝐴, ask it to write song lyrics instead of a script. Then, review and tweak the script as needed. Step 2. Write image prompts and motion prompts. Now we'll move on to image prompts. If your video has multiple characters, you need to maintain visual consistency. That means each prompt should clearly describe hair, skin tone, face, clothes, age, art style. Add something like this to your prompt. The prompt should include full description of characters, name of characters, so I can maintain consistency in their portrayal across all the scenes. Ask ChatGPT to help you write detailed image prompts for each shot. Some shots may require multiple angles. Don't hesitate to ask for more. This makes your video more dynamic. Motion prompts. Ask ChatGPT to describe how the characters move and how the camera moves in each shot. If characters are speaking, be sure to include facial expressions and gestures. Step 3. Generate images and video clips. Now it's time to turn those prompts into actual images and clips. I use Kling AI to generate images, videos, and lip syncs. The 3D quality from Kling AI is super clear, even without upscaling. You can also upgrade to upscale and boost video quality. It's affordable, has image composition and video editing features, And I'll go into more detail in my next video. Generate characters. First, go to Image, Text to Image. Start by generating characters using the descriptions ChatGPT gave you. Select your video ratio, stick to 1 output per prompt if you're on the free plan to save credits. Then hit Generate. If the characters aren't quite right, tweak your prompt using DeepSeek or return to ChatGPT for help. Once you're happy with the first character, repeat the process for the others. I've got 3 characters in this video. The first one, Ariel, is super cute, so I think I'll stick with her. And look at this fish, Finn. Adorable, right? All right, these are the 3 characters I'll be using for my 3D video. What do you guys think? Do you like them? For character-free shots, paste your prompt and hit Generate. For shots with characters, upload the character images as reference. Example, for shots with only 1 character, I'll go to the Single Reference tab, upload the image, or just click Set as Reference right here. Paste your full prompt, including character descriptions, to maintain consistency, choose ratio, and generate.
For 2 characters, upload both to Subject 1 and Subject 2. Add a previously generated scene if available. Adjust the prompt to describe what each character is doing. Select ratio and hit Generate. Once you get the hang of it, repeat the process for all remaining shots. Generate video. Now, to turn images into video. You might wonder, with only 166 free credits, how many 5-second videos can I generate? Kling AI gives us 166 credits per month on the free plan, enough to explore many of its amazing features. The quality is seriously good. You can even create multiple emails to generate more clips. If you like the results and want to publish more 3D animated videos on YouTube to monetize, consider upgrading to speed things up. Back to video creation. Drag over the image you just made. Options will pop up, generate video, upscale, etc. With the free plan, upscaling isn't available, so click Generate, then paste your motion prompt on the left. Turn on sound effects, it's free. While not as advanced as VO3's audio, it still adds charm. Choose standard, 5 seconds or 10 seconds, depending on how much movement or dialogue the shot has. Click Generate. Free users might experience delays. Some generations take minutes, hours, or even half a day. Just click Generate and come back later. Try on multiple accounts if needed.
So if Kling AI is super busy, like too many people are using it at the same time, they'll usually give priority to paid users. But no worries, you can either try again later or just log in with a different email. Honestly, even their standard version is pretty solid. Out of all the AI video and image tools I've tested, this one's got some seriously impressive quality, definitely worth trying out. In this case, you just need to upload the image to your new account, paste the prompt here, set the video ratio and duration, then hit Generate. When the video looks good, crisp and error-free, download it. Repeat the same steps for other clips. I'll speed this up for you. Kling AI has many other features, but we'll explore those in a future video. For now, we're focusing only on making a 3D animated video. Now on to the next step. Step 4, Voiceover, Music. Creation Voiceover. Head to ElevenLabs. My video only has a few character dialogues. If yours has narration, just copy the script from Step 1, go to ElevenLabs, pick a voice, and generate the narration. Music. Want CoComelon style songs? Copy the song lyrics from Step 1 into Suno, describe the music style, and generate the song. Suno songs sound super catchy, perfectly suited for kids. You can create kids songs on Suno with the free plan, but if you plan to upload the video to YouTube or use the song as background music, upgrade to the Pro plan to avoid future copyright issues. Back to my video. I select the V3 model, pick voices for my 2 characters, paste each character's lines from the script, match each line with the right voice, and generate the audio. Listen back for errors, then download. Make sure to label each file correctly to avoid confusion. Step 5, Lip Sync. Now that I've got audio, I go back to Kling AI. For clips with speaking characters, click the lip sync icon. So I upload my own audio, toggle on Add Speech, turn off the original audio if it sounds weird, and click Generate. Repeat this for all lip sync clips and download them. You can do text to speech right inside Kling AI. But honestly, I like my characters' voices to have more personality. So I use ElevenLabs V3. That way I can drop in emotions like laughter, fear, or even crying. Whatever the scene needs. It just makes the final video feel so much more alive, you know? Now, don't get me wrong, it's still miles away from the sound quality you'd get with VO3, but for 3D animation, this is hands down the most cost-effective and best qualified option I've found. Step 6. Edit the final video. Before editing, one important thing. Sound quality matters a lot. Depending on your video type, music video, narrated story, or character dialogue, your editing approach will differ. For music videos, use Suno to generate a custom track. I've linked my Suno guide in the description. For narration or dialogue videos, upload all video clips and arrange them in sequence. Add the narration or character voices. Use sound effects from CapCut or Epidemic Sound. Add transitions, effects, and background music. I use Epidemic Sound since I have a YouTube license, but if you don't, use music from the YouTube audio library to avoid copyright issues. If any clip is blurry or low quality, upscale to Full HD before exporting. Finally, export in 4K. Note, if your original clips are 1080p, exporting in 4K won't boost visual quality, but YouTube will recognize it as 4K and possibly rank it higher. And that's it. Time to review your final video.
This doesn't look like the reef anymore.
Ariel swam too far, and now everything looked strange and dark.
I told you, we need to go back.
I should have listened to you and Dad, Finn. I won't rush off again.
That's okay. Now you know, listening is super important.
Hey, Finn, look at that. Oh, hey,
I'm proud of you for coming back safe.
Next time, I'll listen with both ears.
And from that day on, Ariel became a great listener and had even greater adventures.
Oh my God.
Since you've made it all the way to this part of the video, I'm gonna share a little tip I know you're gonna love. How to download videos with zero watermark. Kling AI is awesome, but if you've got a bunch of images to generate and you want to try another free AI, head over to Dreamina. Just select video, upload your image, choose the duration, paste your prompt, and hit generate. Now here's the part you've been waiting for. Hit F12, click the little arrow icon on the left side of your screen, yep, right there, then hover your mouse over the video. On the left, you'll see the video link pop up. Double-click that link, copy it, open it in a new tab, and download it. Boom! No logo. This only works with Dreamina, by the way, and the videos still come out in really good resolution. Honestly, Dreamina from ByteDance is super generous. They give you 300 credits a day for free. That said, the price for paid plans? Yeah, kind of pricey. Actually more expensive than Kling AI. So if we're talking cost and convenience, I'd still say Kling AI is my go-to. Thanks so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. All the AI tools I use are linked in the description and pinned in the comments. See you in the next video.